If you're wondering which VR headsets are worth your money, stick around. After we run through each product, I'll give you my personal take. Would I buy it or would I skip it? No fluff, just my honest opinion. Let's get into it. MetaQuest 3S. This budget beast delivers fantastic VR performance with a Snapdragon XR 2 Gen 2 processor and color pass-through cameras. But you're stuck with the same crusty 1832 by 1920 per eye resolution as the Quest 2. It's like putting a Ferrari engine in a Honda Civic. The 514-gram headset will give you 3 hours of battery life before dying on you. And those Fresnel lenses from 2020 will remind you that you're not living in the future yet. Would I buy it? Yes. At $300, it's the cheapest ticket to mixed reality that doesn't completely suck. MetaQuest Pro. This $1,499 professional headset comes with fancy eye and face tracking that makes you feel like a cyborg. But the battery life is shorter than my attention span during a work meeting. The improved comfort over Quest 2 is nice until you realize you're paying 3 times more for a headset that still runs on the same basic platform as cheaper models. Would I buy it? No. Unless you're a business that needs to justify burning money on enterprise solutions, this thing is overpriced like airport food. PlayStation VR 2. This PS5 exclusive beauty pumps out stunning 4K visuals at 120 Hz that'll make your eyeballs weep tears of joy. But good luck using it for anything other than the handful of games Sony actually bothered to make for it. The haptic feedback in both headset and controllers is so good, it feels like the game is giving you a massage, but those Sense controllers die faster than my motivation on Monday mornings. Would I buy it? Maybe. If you already own a PS5 and don't mind being locked into Sony's walled garden like a digital prisoner. Varjo XR-3. This $5,500 Finnish monster delivers human eye resolution with 70 pixels per degree in the center and makes every other headset look like it was designed by cavemen. But it's heavier than my college textbooks and requires a PC that costs more than most people's cars. The dual display system with perfect image sharpness will blow your mind until you realize you need a PhD in computer science to set it up properly. Would I buy it? No. Unless I'm running a NASA simulation or have more money than sense, this thing is overkill, like bringing a rocket launcher to a water balloon fight. Pimax Crystal. This $1,599 resolution king serves up 2,880 by 2,880 pixels per eye that'll make you question reality itself. But it's so front-heavy you'll need a chiropractor after an hour of use. The standalone mode exists but feels like an afterthought with fewer games than a gas station's DVD rack. While the external battery system makes you feel like you're wearing a car battery on your face. Would I buy it? Maybe. If you're a hardcore PC gamer who doesn't mind looking like a cyborg, and your neck muscles are stronger than your wallet is thick. HTC Vive Pro 2. This beast packs a jaw-dropping 5K resolution at 2448 by 2448 pixels per eye and runs at 120 Hz, making everything look crisp enough to count the pixels on your virtual enemies' faces. The downside is it gets hotter than a gaming laptop running Crysis and costs more than my car payment. Plus, you need base stations that turn your room into a sci-fi movie set. Would I buy it? Maybe, if I win the lottery and don't mind turning my living room into a VR obstacle course. Magic Leap 2. This augmented reality headset can handle up to 1.1 million triangles without breaking a sweat, which is impressive until you realize it completely ignores black objects like they're invisible ninjas. The spatial mapping feature forces you to scan your entire room like you're doing some weird VR ritual dance. And good luck if you have dark furniture because the headset will pretend it doesn't exist. Would I buy it? No. I'm not paying premium prices for a headset that has beef with my black coffee table. Pimax Crystal Light. This thing delivers crystal clear, 2880 by 2880 resolution per eye with a comfortable 815 gram weight, making it lighter than carrying around your shame after buying another VR headset. The manual interpupillary distance adjustment has a learning curve steeper than my credit card debt, but at least you get that sweet 110-degree field of vision without distortion. Would I buy it? Yes. It's like getting a Ferrari for the price of a Honda, assuming you don't mind manually adjusting your eyeball distance like some kind of optometrist. Valve Index VR Kit. The controllers are absolutely revolutionary with finger tracking that makes you feel like a wizard, and the 144 Hz refresh rate is smoother than my pickup lines. Unfortunately, the tracking occasionally stutters, like a nervous teenager asking someone to prom, and at $999, it costs more than some people's rent. Would I buy it? Maybe. The finger tracking is amazing, but I'm not sure my wallet can handle another relationship that expensive. HTC Vive Focus Vision. This hybrid headset rocks 2560 by 2560 resolution per eye and can do both standalone and wired PCVR. Plus, it has a hot swappable battery that's more convenient than my X. The binocular overlap is worse than trying to watch a 3D movie with one eye closed, and it's running on 2020-era Snapdragon XR2 hardware that's older than some TikTok trends. Would I buy it? No. Paying $999 for outdated hardware is like buying a flip phone in 2025, even if it does have fancy eye tracking. Pico 4 Ultra. This thing packs a Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, making it more powerful than the Quest 3 on paper. But the lenses have more ghosting than a haunted house, and the image only stays sharp in a tiny sweet spot that's smaller than my attention span. The pass-through is actually better than Quest 3's in some ways with its dual 32-megapixel cameras, but good luck reading anything on your phone through it because apparently that's where they drew the line. Would I buy it? Maybe. It's like dating someone who looks great in photos but has the personality of wet cardboard. Decent for PC VR, but Quest 3 still wins overall. MetaQuest 3, the undisputed king of standalone VR with its color pass-through that doesn't make you feel like you're living in a black and white movie. Plus, it actually has games worth playing, unlike some headsets that shall remain nameless. Battery life is still trash at 2-3 hours because apparently Meta thinks we all have the attention span of goldfish, and the lack of eye tracking means you're stuck using controllers like some kind of caveman. Would I buy it? Yes. It's the iPhone of VR headsets, not perfect, but everything else makes you appreciate how good you had it. HTC Vive XR Elite. This headset has the best pass-through quality on the market with crisp colors and great depth perception, making mixed reality actually usable instead of looking like you're viewing the world through a potato. Too bad the software library is more barren than my dating life, with most good games being Quest exclusives, so you're paying premium prices to play inferior versions of games. Would I buy it? No. It's like buying a Ferrari to drive in a parking lot. Great hardware, completely wasted by terrible software support. Apple Vision Pro. This $3,500 beast delivers spatial videos that make you feel like you're actually there. Plus, it's the best personal media player money can buy with picture quality that makes your TV look like a calculator screen. The eye tracking needs constant recalibration like a needy ex, and wearing it for more than an hour feels like having a warm brick strapped to your face. Would I buy it? No, it's the Cybertruck of VR headsets, impressive tech demo that costs more than my car but less practical than a chocolate teapot for most people. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you pick the VR headsets for you. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Links to all of these products mentioned in this video will be in the description.